Hello guys, it's Mokubeye. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to back up your YouTube channel step by step. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to click on this, your Gmail profile. After which you click on manage your Google account. Once you're there, you click on data and privacy. After which you simply scroll down and you simply click on what? Download your data. Once you're here, you simply need to uncheck all these products. After that, you scroll down and we'll be choosing YouTube because we want to download our YouTube data. After that, we'll click on what? Next. So guys, you simply need to choose your destination where you want to transfer your data. So I'll simply choose what? Email. And your frequency, export once. You have export every 2 months for a year. That you have 6 exports. So after every 2 months is actually going to be exporting for 1 year, sorry. So I'll choose export once. And you simply need to choose your what? Your file type. That's it. And your file size. But you can simply put like 500 gigabyte because you don't actually know the amount of size your YouTube channel carries. So after that, you click on what? Create export. So guys, once your export is complete, Google is actually going to send you your export email, that is your YouTube channel data. So guys, after some times, you simply need to check on your Gmail account. So I'll click here. After that, I click on what? Gmail. So it is going to take me to my Gmail account. So as you can see, our data is already available. So we'll click on it. Yep. We'll scroll down and you can simply manage your export or download your files. So I'll simply click on what? Download file. So after that, you simply need to what? To download it. But I already have automatic download software on my laptop. So that's the reason why it didn't appear like this. After that, I'll click on download. Open. So guys, this is our download file for our YouTube channel. As you can see, this is it here. It comes with zip form because we actually choose by the zip format for it to download. So you can now save this. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below if you face any difficulties doing this. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.